Hi, I'm Kylie Vogel. I'm from Monticello, Indiana, and I swim sprint, freestyle, and butterfly. When I was looking at schools, I really wanted to find a team that I knew I would fit in with and that these would be my best friends for life, and I don't think I would have found that anywhere else. Like, the academics of Purdue are great, and the other big perk was that I knew this team was really going somewhere. I kept kind of putting Purdue on the back burner just because my sister had gone here and my mother had gone here, and it was so close to home that I thought I wanted to go a lot farther away, but I don't think I could be happier anywhere else, so now I'm really glad that I could come here. It's such a good feeling. It's such a cool feeling to be making a part of history or being a part of history, and you know, we're setting up the future generations of Purdue women's swimming and diving, their college careers here. Like, I'm here because of what the alumni did as well, and it's really neat to know that I'm a part of something that's much bigger than myself. I think the best part is that I have these two coaches as well as teammates who really believe that I can do these great things and that I'll reach my full potential. And sometimes what I believe my full potential is different from theirs, and it's really nice to have a support system that thinks I can go above and beyond what I ever thought I was capable of. Coming to Purdue, I was kind of iffy about it, but everything's lined up, everything's gone perfect. I think I've achieved what I could achieve through swimming, which is awesome. I've made best friends that I know I'll keep them for life, and I've been given this wonderful opportunity through academics that has set me up for a great career in the future.